Hello, everyone, and good morning. Welcome to my class. Hope you all doing well. How are you? Thank you, and I'm good. Thank you for asking. Okay, now we always need a little warm up before anything today, right? So please stand up and let's sing. Yes.
Every day I go to school. I meet my friends. And we all say hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, I'm great. How about you? La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. Hey!
Okay, great job. Great job for singing this song. Okay, now, first question is, what's the day today? What is the day today? It is Sunday. Yay, Sunday. It's the first what? Day of the week. Right. So can you spell it for me? S U N D A Y. Sunday. Yay, great job. Okay, what's the date? What's the date today? It is 10, 5, and 140. 44. Great job, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody knows the class rules, correct? Correct. Okay. Let's count. Okay. Raise your hand and let's count together. 1. Follow directions quickly. 2. Raise your hand to speak. 3. Raise your hand to leave your seat. 4. Make smart choices. 5. Keep your dear teacher happy. And we will all be happy together, okay? Good job, everyone. And now we will start a little revision of stuff you already took in the last term. Okay, let's start. Who would like to come here and choose one fish and tell me what's the letter on the fish? Okay. Okay, what about the yellow fish? What is this letter? It's capital R and small r. Good job. Yes. And what about the orange fish on the right? Yes, it's a capital U and small u. Good job. And what about the purple fish? Yes, it's capital Q and small q. And we got three or four, I think it's three fishes. Good job, everyone. Good job. Okay, last game of the revision. I hope you guys focus. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, focus on me. Okay, let's go to the cherries and see. Okay, who is wearing green? Anyone want to answer that? Okay, who is wearing green? All of you guys, good job. The uniform is green. Yes, yes, okay. Let's find another cherry. Good job. Okay, what are you wearing today? Who wants to come here and answer? What are you wearing today? Yes, you are wearing a jacket because winter is here, right? Good job. Good job. Everybody clap. Yes. Okay, let's move to the next cherry. Let's move. Let's go. We finished the cherries. Good job, everyone. Good job. Thank you for participating. Revision. Did you have fun? Good job, everyone. You all did great. You're all excellent and beautiful, like the name of our unit. The name of our unit is Beautiful Nature. Anyone knows what beautiful means? Good job. Beautiful is something you like, it's something you find joy on seeing, right? You are all beautiful. You are all pretty. Okay, what about nature? You know, this picture is a little hint. Nature, yeah, like river, like mountains, like trees. Good job, everyone. Good job. Let's clap. Let's clap for the answers. Okay, we'll see a little picture here, and I want someone to tell me how do you guys feel about it? Okay, it's like somewhere green, but there's also what? Yes, there's a lot of trash, a lot of plastic bags. Is this a beautiful sight? Is this a beautiful picture? Is this a beautiful place? Right, it's not beautiful. It is ugly. It is ugly. Everyone, let's repeat. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Good job. Ugly is the opposite of beautiful. When you find something beautiful, you feel happy, you feel joy, you find it interesting to look at. But with ugly, you don't feel the same emotions. Okay, what about spelling the word ugly? Okay, anyone want to try? Let's try it. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, first letter is U. Okay, next letter G, L, and Y. Ugly. Good job, everyone. Good job. Let's clap. Let's clap, everyone. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, I would like two beautiful girls to come here and try to write the word ugly under the picture. Let's try and write it. Okay, we'll who first finish the letter with great writing on the lines. Of course, this is important. On the lines, we will get a bonus. Okay? Okay, let's try it. I hope you are doing it. Okay, let's move on. Good job, everyone. Good job. Okay, moving on to the next picture. Okay, what do you think of this picture? Yes, it's a beautiful place. Yeah, it's full of flowers. What color of the flowers? Yeah, there's orange, there's purple, and also there's green, but I don't think they are flowers. Yeah, it's the mountain. Beautiful. So it's a beautiful. picture, a beautiful place, a beautiful sight. Yes, good job, everyone. Let's see the word beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, repeat after me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You say beautiful when you find something you like, something full maybe of colors, right? Okay, so let's try to spell it. Spell the word. Yeah, let's spell the word. Okay, let's try. P E A U T I F U L. Beautiful. Good job, everyone. Thank you for giving us your opinion and thank you for listening to me. Yeah, let's clap. Let's clap. Good job. Okay, now I want what? Two girls to come here and try to write the word that we just had. We just learned it. This place is white. Yes. Can you please come here and write it as quickly as correctly as possible? Okay, let's do it. Now, what about a little mystery box? Yes. Okay, who wants to come here and choose one of the things that came out of the mystery box? Yeah, let's choose first. Yeah, first question. Let's see it. Hey, what can you see? Can you describe this? What's happening in here? Yeah, it's like it's a season, right? Yeah, it's winter. Yes, when the weather is very, very cold, right? Good job. Good job. Good answer. But what is happening right now? It is snowing. This is snow. Snow. Okay, repeat after me. Snow. Snow. Let's have a little
How how to pronounce snow,
snow.
snow,
Repeat. Snow.
snow,
Snow.
Snow,
Snow.
snow,
Snow. Okay, great. We now know the word snow. Snow. Yes. Okay, let's see how it's written. Snow. Snow. Okay, who wants to spell the word? Okay, it's S-N-O-W. Good job. Good job. Let's clap. Let's clap. Okay. What is it doing? Who can answer? Yes, it's a rabbit. Yeah. And what's the movement the rabbit is doing? Anyone knows? Okay. He's shaking his head or her head. It's shaking. Yeah. Okay, let's see the word. Okay, let's pronounce it first.
how to pronounce shake, shake, shake,
shake, shake,
Okay, great, great, great. Now, let's see the word. Yeah, it's shake. Shake. Repeat, shake. Good job. Now, who wants to spell the word? Let's spell it letter by letter. Okay. S H A K and E. Good job. Excellent. You did great today. Let's clap it. Let's clap. Number 3. What is this? Anyone can describe this picture? What are you seeing? Yeah, it's an animal. And it is green. Right. What else? It is dangerous. Yeah. This animal is considered dangerous. Good job. Okay, anyone knows what the name of the animal? Great. It's a snake. Snake. Repeat after me. Snake. Snake. Yeah, let's do the movement with our hands. Yeah. Snake. Snake. Good job. Good job. Good job. Who wants to spell the word? Okay. S N A K and E. Good job. Let's clap. Let's clap. Great, great, great. Okay, so number 4, last one. What are they doing? Okay, first of all, what do you see? Two people. Yeah, two friends. They are what? They seem like they are talking about something. What do you think they are talking about? About the picture. Good job. So what is the boy on the right doing other than talking? He's showing the picture to his friend, right? Yeah, he's showing the picture. He's he's showing the picture. Okay, let's see the word. Shout. Shout. Repeat. Shout. 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 Good job. Who wants to spell the word? S H O and W. Good job. And the W is pronounced as wa. Show. 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 Good job. Good job. Let's clap. Let's clap for the answers. Okay. After opening the whole box, the mystery box, okay, let's move on. We need to complete the word that we just learned. Okay? So, who want to come here and put the missing letters into their word? Okay, I need 2 people. Someone do the SN and someone do the SH, which sound like sh, right? Sh, like we just learned. Okay, let's do it. Good job. First word is snow. Snow. Yes. Oh, good job. And the second word is shake. Shake. So the second word is SH and the first word is SN. Yes. And what about the third word? It's SN. It's snake. 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 And the last word is it's H. And the word is show. Show. So we learn this words. Yes. Good job, everyone. Let's clap. Let's clap, everyone. Yeah. You all did great. Okay, after everything, we need to open our book. Let's open it in Unit 1, Beautiful Nature. Yeah, please. First, let's write the day and the date. Don't forget. Yes, let's write it. Everyone. Good. Now, talk time. Listen and point. I will read and you guys listen and we will then read it together. Okay. First, look. It's a snake. It's short? No, it is long. Look, it's a plastic bag. It is beautiful. No, it is ugly. Okay, who wants to read? What are they talking about? Yeah, 2 friends are talking about the snake, and the 2 other friends are talking about the plastic bag. The plastic bag, is it beautiful or ugly? Yes, it is ugly. It is ugly, yes. And what about the snake? Is it short or is it long? It is long. Good job, good job. Sounds and letters. Okay, listen, point, and say the right SN or SH. Okay, I will say um, the words randomly, and I want you guys to point out where's the word I'm talking about in these four pictures. Okay, let's start with the word snow. Snow. Okay, where is it? It is the third picture. Good job. Good job. Let's repeat it then. Snow. 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 Good job. Beautiful. So is the word snow start with SN or SH? Of course, it is SN. Good job. Let's clap. Let's clap. Good job. Now the second word is shake. Shake. Can you point? Where's the picture of shake? Yes, it is the second picture. The person is shaking. Maybe he's like cold. That's why he's shaking. Or he's nervous. Good job. So shake. Shake. Repeat after me. Shake. Shake. Yeah, great. So shake, is it SN or SH? It is SH, which makes the sound sh. Shake. 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 Okay, another word. Show. Show. Where is it? Yes, it is the fourth picture. Great job. I'm so proud of you. The fourth picture. Okay, then let's say it. Let's say the word. Show. 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 So is it the word show start with SN or SH? SH. Okay, let's write it. Write the word. SHOW. Good job. Okay, last word. Snake. Snake. Of course, it is the one left, and it is the first one. Good job. Let's repeat it. Snake. 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 Great. Then the word snake, does it start with SN or SH? Yes, it is SN. Great job. You guys are amazing. Let's clap. Let's clap. Everyone, let's clap. Great job. Great job. Okay. Who can read the the sentence under the pictures? Yes, I want someone to read it. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, the first word. We took it. It's like right above. Show. Show. Great. What about the second word? Me. Good job. Show me. Third word. The. Great. Snake. Show me the snake. Show me the snake. Great job. Great job. Let's clap for everyone. Everyone, let's clap. Okay, now let's look at the picture. Find something beautiful. What do you think is beautiful in this picture? Okay, there's the tree. The tree is beautiful. The flower is beautiful. The sky is beautiful. The rainbow is also beautiful. Good job. You guys are great. Okay, so look around and find a beautiful or an ugly object. Let's read what are they talking about, and then we will have to look around us on the classroom. Okay, okay, or on our home. you'll find something beautiful, and maybe something you don't really find beautiful. So let's call it ugly object. Okay, so let's read. Let's read. Who wants to read? Okay. Okay, you want three people to read. Okay, let's start with the first one. Yeah. Look, it's a plastic bag. It is ugly. Yes, it is. No, it's not. What do you think? The plastic bag is beautiful, is ugly, or it's not? Yes, plastic bags are ugly. We need to not throw it on the parks or in the nature, right? Good job. Let's see what the teacher is saying. Find something that's beautiful or ugly. Okay, and the other boy, look at the beautiful flower. Yeah, flowers are beautiful, right? Yes, great job, everyone. We are now about to what? To finish our lesson today. Now, let's see if we can, okay? Here are two things that we should have learned today. Let's see if we can do them, okay? Act out one of the talks about nature. We did acted them out, right? Right, so vote what? Yeah, let's vote. Mark that we did it. Goal number 25. Okay, check. Okay, and the second one is find something beautiful or ugly and say, look, it's it is beautiful. Or, look, it's it is ugly. We already did this, right? We did this in the classroom. So we did it. Let's put the check to goal number 26. Thank you guys for doing our goals so we can. Job. Good job for today. Yes, you all did amazing. You all are excellent. I'm very impressed by you guys. Thank you. Thank you for being active and focusing with me. Thank you for today. You did a great job. You are great. And now
Goodbye, everybody. We had a good day. Goodbye, everybody. It's time to say
together.
goodbye to my teacher. Goodbye to my friends. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again. Wave your hands left. Wave your hands right. Turn around once and clap your hands twice. Step to the left. Step to the right, jump to the middle and jump out wide. Goodbye, everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye, everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher. Goodbye to my friends. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again. Wave your hands left, wave your hands right. Turn around once and clap your hands twice. Step to the left, step to the right. Jump to the middle and jump out wide. Goodbye, everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye, everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher. Goodbye to my friends. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you next time.